We're going to continue now with the Wycliffe Bible Dictionary. This will be number 6, and like number 5, it will be in the Bible folder. Now, in any of these articles, there are not only photographs and maps and so forth, but many times after an article, there will be a bibliography of names you can look up. But also, there are some very interesting things that happen as well. For example, I'm going to give you this being number 6, the idea of the alphabet. Now, this is a rather long article on the alphabet itself, and it says the alphabet is a series of letters which represent significant phonetic value arranged in a socially acceptable order. The word alphabet is to a combination of names of the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. And then it goes all the way through all of the years in which the alphabet came to be written and how they were shaped and so on. It goes a long article about the alphabet all by itself. And it talks about, of course, the different languages and where they came from in the alphabet. And it's an excellent article, but also one of the most fascinating things about this particular one is it actually has a chart that will show you just exactly what the alphabet looked like, and it's in a chronological order of ages. And so if you look at this chart, which you can't see very well here, but it gives you all the way the alphabet was written, and then it gives you a bibliography of those who write about what the alphabet was and how it was written. So I'll show you this chart of the alphabet right here. So those are pictures of what the alphabet looked like in different times of history. So that is extremely fascinating. And another section that I particularly like, because I'm interested in this anyway, is a section called God's Names and Titles. Now, that is particularly interesting because the names of God were done in certain times and for certain reasons. So this is an extremely good article about that. And it gives you endless scripture readings that deal with that. And this is a rather long article, and it gives you an excellent bibliography as well. And what it does, as it does also in the commentary, it will take these names and get to its root meaning from a particular language. And you don't find many Bibles or dictionaries that will do that, but this one does. I have some that are specific for that reason, but this one is particularly good in that section. And then the word Godhead, compound of God and hood, and so forth. And that's another way to uh, look for God, and goddesses, and then false gods, and so forth. But all this in the names of God, I made a special note to look at because I'm particularly interested in that. And you will find this used here. And it even shows you where they come from, gives you, again, all the scriptures to look up. That is particularly interesting. So this is another feature of this Bible by Wycliffe, which is the Bible Dictionary in alphabetical order. We will continue with this shortly.